Yo, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your YouTube videos, your YouTube gaming videos, faster. So stay tuned.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long.
If you want to get more views on your YouTube gaming channel, go to growonyoutube.com/free chapter right now. When you go over there, you'll get to this page and you'll be able to discover the secret to getting more YouTube views with a free chapter of my book, A Gamer's Guide to Greatness. This free chapter will teach you how to use video SEO to bring more views to your gaming videos, how to make your videos rank on the first page of YouTube, and how to build a YouTube gaming channel that grows consistently. So definitely go to growonyoutube.com/free chapter and start growing your YouTube gaming channel today. Yo, what's going on? I'm Jay Cartere from growonyoutube.com, teaching you how to be better. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing basically a documentation of how I was able to create a video and get it uploaded and released within, I think it was about an hour. It was definitely less than 2 hours. And when I say that, you know, some people will be like, wow, it takes me ages, like it takes me hours to film and then edit and then do all that sort of stuff. In this video, I'm showing you that you can create sub content or B content that basically supplements your larger content that takes longer for you to make. So you can make some easy content that you can get out there and get on your channel to please the YouTube algorithm, as well as please people who are looking for these simple answers to their questions. And it's really easy when you've got the right mindset and you know what to look for. You can make a lot of easily filmed and edited videos that are gonna perform okay and they're gonna help people out. So this video that you're going to see is basically from my Instagram story that day. I highly suggest you guys follow me on Instagram. That's instagram.com/Jay Cartere. So it's at Jay Cartere on there. And yeah, I basically just showed the journey of me creating this video. I've got like timestamps and all that sort of stuff for proof, but I think it was very, very interesting. And let's bring that up. I'm always tweaking, seeking out new opportunities and that sort of stuff. And yeah, very, very interesting. Even though I just released the video, I still saw an opportunity. I'm like, okay, let's tweak it a little bit. Let's see what happens. So we're ranking at number 2. We've had to change ammo type, Far Cry 5 PS4. Number 3, how to change ammo type. We might actually make a video on how to change ammo type, you know. I don't even know. Maybe. Maybe, just to kick my man off. Still got to release this podcast video today. But honestly, might just do this video like after I release this podcast video, because why not? I could probably whip it up, get it done in like 15 minutes. But to be honest, it'll take a little while longer than that to actually export, get up, and all that sort of stuff. It'll take a little while, maybe half an hour. Should be less than an hour though, from beginning to end. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a little video challenge here. We're gonna release the podcast video first and deal with all that deal with the info and stuff, and then when we're ready to start recording this video, I'll set a timer and we'll see how long it takes. So I'm loading up Far Cry now, but I decided that this would actually be a good video idea, so that's why I'm filming long ways right about now. But yeah, we're gonna get started up in a sec and see how long it takes us to make a video get up. So we're gonna document this live on Instagram and then post it on YouTube at a later date, probably in like a few weeks or something. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Right about now it's 11:12. So it took about 2 minutes for this to get up and running, for the game to load. So we're at 11:14 now. We are going to get in, record the video, and yeah, get it up and edited. So now we're starting. So we are done with the recording process. It's now 11:17, just turned 11:17. It was 11:16 when I started talking. But yeah, really, really quick video. Lasts like a minute and maybe 50 seconds. We're gonna whip it up, get it edited, and get. We've just imported the footage into Camtasia, but disclaimer, I do kind of have a template. I'm just using a project that I used to edit another Far Cry video earlier today. I think it was today that I edited it, or I don't know. My point is, once you do something the long way once, it becomes much easier to replicate it and do it again in future, and that's what I'm trying to prove here. So let's edit this up. So we have finished editing this video. Honestly, could have done this quicker if I didn't watch through all my videos, but I do that because I've made a few mistakes in the past and I'll never do it again. But if you want to live on the wild side, you can do this even more quickly. So the time is 11:28 right about now, and we're about to export this in MP4 format. Let's move that to Far Cry 5. And I don't know how long this is going to take. So rendering is going to be the long part, but we're almost at 20% already. So this shouldn't take too long. But I do have Adobe Media Encoder open as well. So that may make it a little bit slower. I was going to, save this for the end after I had uploaded it. But since it's rendering right about now, we've got time. Basically, the fact that I'm recording and stuff obviously will slow down my time, but I think it's important. And my whole point with this video or story or however you're watching it is that you can do this. You can get quick videos done and up, and it's possible. So stop complaining, stop it. And it doesn't matter if you don't do gaming videos or you generally do super long in-depth videos. You can create small bite-sized videos that you can be putting out on your channel in the meantime when you're creating those big videos. And having the smaller videos that solve specific problems or show a certain thing is actually good for your content plan. It's good for your channel. It's good for the algorithm because YouTube likes when you upload more frequently and all that sort of stuff. We're at 100. We're at 100%. And what's the time? I can't see through here. 11:34. I really shouldn't have looked through the camera. I should have just used my real eyes to see the time there. But here we go. Video's done. We're going to upload it. So it's uploaded now, but I went to answer a question from my YouTube comments for a second. So that put me back a couple seconds. But we're just going to copy over the info from a previous video and edit that. So I've edited the description, edited the title, how to change ammo types on the PS4, how to change arrow types, Far Cry 5 PS4 tutorial, done the tags. Yeah, not a lot of tags there, but we've got it all set up, got the Far Cry 5 set up. Next up, I'm going to deal with the cards and end cards, or end screens, and then we're going to deal with the actual thumbnail, and we're going to use TubeBuddy for this, or tubebuddy.com/Jay Cartere. So right about now it is 11:45 and we're going to use TubeBuddy to bulk copy these cards. If I did this just manually, it would take ages, take a little while to be honest. But with TubeBuddy we're able to get this all up within basically seconds, a minute if anything. It's still 11:46 and this is done. We will have to edit the card. Now we do have to fine tune these cards and get them in the right place real quick. But this doesn't take too long compared to actually, doing this one by one. So we've got the thumbnail up and ready. Honestly, I'd say do a better thumbnail. Spend some more time on your thumbnail. Don't just rush it like I did, but I'm doing this for the sake of speed. Just got to do the, title sharing thing. So all I'm doing here is putting the title and then hashtagging the game name. And then let's publish it. And we're done. It's currently 11:54. Can we get really, really close? Okay, so I just went back and edited the thumbnail and zoomed way more in so people will actually be able to see that it says explosive arrow there. Hopefully, maybe. But that's what we're going for. So we're going to re-download this, re-upload it, and then we'll be done. So video's done, video's up, it's public, it's on YouTube. Obviously I'm gonna add my pinned comment and stuff, and I highly suggest you guys do the same, but I think that counts. It's currently 11:50. Let's just look on there so you don't think I'm lying. So we started at 11:14, finished at about 11:57. Oh, my back is hurting because I'm just feeling ugh. And less than an hour we got a video up and running, edited on YouTube. And this video is going to pay dividends in about 6 months. We'll see what happens, but look already. We're already ranking in top five for a bunch of tags. That's great stuff. So yeah, it's now 12 o'clock. That was long but fun and interesting. I hope, gave you guys some insight into how you guys can get up and running. And no excuses, man. No excuses. I really want to kill and suffocate excuses. Get to work. If you want to learn how I got over 23,000 subscribers and millions of views on my YouTube gaming channel, then you are in luck. Sign up to this free course right now. Link will be in the card, in the description, and in the pinned comment. Or go to growonyoutube.com/20k SEO course. In this course, you will learn the best way to write your video titles, tags, and descriptions to help you rank on the first page of YouTube. It's simple when you know what to do. I'll also show you a hack that will help you choose the right key phrases and help you create videos that can rank and get views no matter what game you play. Stop struggling to grow your YouTube gaming channel and start doing what works. Click on the link in the description or go to growonyoutube.com/20k SEO course. This course will not be up forever, so get in there as soon as possible. I hope to see you here soon, and I wish you the best of luck on your journey of turning your passion into your career.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long.